Meaning of humor.
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 Humor. Humor refers to the quality of being amusing or comical, often resulting from unexpected or exaggerated situations. It is a form of communication that aims to evoke laughter or feelings of amusement. Humor is subjective and varies from person to person, culture to culture, and situation to situation. The ability to understand and appreciate humor is considered a sign of intelligence and social skills. Humor can also be used to break down barriers, relieve tension, and deliver messages in a more engaging and memorable way.